In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and HS720 GPS Drone 4K. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto-return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The HS720 GPS Drone 4K by Holy Stone provides a high-quality 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring crisp and clear images and videos even in motion. This drone is FAA-compliant for remote ID, eliminating the need for an extra module and ensuring worry-free flights. Equipped with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, the drone returns automatically when the battery is low or signal is lost, and can follow set paths or circle a point, allowing for focused photography and creation. The drone features an upgraded configuration with 2 intelligent batteries for a total of 52 minutes flight time, brushless motors for quieter flight and lower power consumption, and a foldable design for easy transportation. The HS720 is easy to operate with multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. The considerate controller, with a control range reaching up to 3,000 feet, displays battery level and GPS signal on an LED screen and includes a button for turning the drone light on or off, catering to both right and left-handers. Both the HS175D GPS Drone Package and the HS720 GPS Drone 4K are fantastic offerings by Holy Stone, each with their unique strengths. The HS175D drone impresses with its 4K ultra-clear camera and a commendable flight time of up to 46 minutes, courtesy of its 2 batteries. This drone is particularly convenient for outdoor travel due to its foldable fuselage and a weight under 250 grams. The HS720 drone, on the other hand, stands out with its FAA-compliant remote ID and a higher flight time of 52 minutes. Moreover, it boasts of a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, which promises clear images and videos even in motion. The HS720 also comes with brushless motors for quieter flight and lower power consumption. As for intelligent functions, both drones are similarly equipped with features like GPS auto-return and the ability to follow set paths or circle a point. However, the HS720 has an edge with its multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. In terms of customer feedback, both drones have high review scores, with the HS720 having a slightly higher score and more reviews. The price difference, with the HS720 being more expensive, should be considered in relation to these added features and superior performance.